Check out our newest update. Now you can restore deleted workflows. This feature allows you to easily recover workflows that have been mistakenly deleted, ensuring continuity and saving time. There are lots of benefits to this. Let me talk about a few. First, error correction. Quickly recover those accidentally deleted workflows. This is going to save you time because now you can avoid the need to recreate complex workflows from scratch. It's also going to create continuity because you're going to be able to maintain seamless operations by simply restoring workflows with all of the previous settings and data right intact. As far as practical use goes, this is really solid if you accidentally delete a critical workflow. And if you haven't done that yet, you are ensured to do it at some point because it's just human nature. And now you can restore that deleted workflow instantly without losing any configurations or data, ensuring that your business operations continue smoothly. Let me show you exactly where this is at. First, we're going to be accessing the Restore button. That is going to be found under Automation, and then in the upper navigation under Workflows. And then you're going to want to choose the new Deleted box, which is right next to all workflows. And then you are going to have the option to restore. And you're going to go ahead and click that. Now you will confirm that you want to restore that, and it's that simple. It's going to be back in your account just as it was before it was accidentally deleted. The ability to restore deleted workflows is going to ensure continuity and efficiency while you're working within the CRM. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.